Hello everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Rug Stud Sandal by Valentino. This is a gorgeous hot pink sandal that you can wear during the spring and summer. I can get away with it here in Florida because it's always hot, so I can wear them all year round, but this is a gorgeous sandal. So this sandal is the one that has, as you can see, the heel in the back, and then it has the studs that are known to Valentino. The shoes themselves are comfortable, and something that stood out to me is that, and it happened to me with another pair of shoes, is that if you have longer toes, they're gonna fit better, but I personally don't have very long toes, so I have a lot of room here left in the front, and that's something that I definitely don't like. It happened to me with a pair of Giuseppe Zanotti shoes that I have, but that's the only thing I could say. And then the straps themselves, they don't stretch, so you would have to use an expander, and they are very tight on the foot, but you can get away with walking with these shoes. The sandals are made with high quality materials, and that's something that you can feel right away when you get the shoe. And something that I do want to point out about the straps, going back to the straps, is that they give you a secure feel on your foot. Your foot is not going to slide off when you're wearing the sandals. And then also the tag where it says Valentino is not uncomfortable at all. Also, the heel in the back really compensates the sandal, making it even more comfortable to wear. With these sandals, they do require for you to break into them. Like I said, you could use an expander, but for the most part, it's a process. They're gonna be very, very tight in the beginning. Something that stood out to me is that the sandals are lightweight, and bulky shoes, in my opinion, they tend to be uncomfortable, but for the most part, just the fact that everything that was put together to make this shoe just makes them beautiful, easy to wear with most outfits, and a comfortable shoe that you can wear day or night. You're also able to get these sandals at a discounted price. You don't have to pay full price just by waiting until the season is over. They usually bring the prices significantly down, and that's what I did. But because they are Valentino shoes, Valentino's a brand that is known for having really, really good materials, and these shoes are very durable. I can tell you that, so they're going to last you a really long time. Some of the cons of the shoe are obviously the price. Valentino shoes tend to be very expensive, and another con that I find is that you have to break into them. It's not a shoe that you can just wear comfortably, and also if you have wide feet, these shoes are not for you, and if you have short toes, also the shoes are not for you. That's the only thing that I don't like about them, is that they're very long here in the front, and some designers have that. Like I told you guys, Giuseppe Zanotti is one of them. Beautiful shoes, but then there is a lot of room here in the front, and the shoes don't fit properly, but you still rock them. You can buy Valentino shoes at many retail stores. You can also, I believe you can buy them on the website as well. But if you want to make an investment and have something iconic that you can wear to go out on the weekend, to go out for lunch, even dinner, these are the shoes. Also, if you want to gift this to a special woman in your life, these would be the shoes that I recommend, because they're very versatile and she can wear them to a variety of occasions. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope that you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment just letting me know if you like the shoes or not. And I also want to point out that I have cruise videos here on my channel from my last vacation, where I take you through Italy, Greece, and Croatia. I hope that you get really, really good insights from those videos so that you can plan your next vacation. Thank you so much for your time. Feel free to browse around. I have lots of shoe reviews here on my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.